guys, got a tube or a log or however you want to describe this batch of chocolate chip cookie dough mix, and then I've got a small casserole dish that I've lined with parchment paper. Go ahead and put these in. That. This is going to be such a good and easy dessert. Total crowd pleaser. Now that I've got that in there, we're just going to smush it down with our hands. Make sure that goes all the way to the edge. And then go ahead and smush it up the sides a little bit. And guess what? This is our first layer. This is a layered dessert. And this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Look, it's gotten still super warm. I'm going to take this pastry roller, use like a mug if you want. And all we're going to do is just push down on this cookie, kind of making a well on the inside. Once you've made this kind of moat area, I'm gonna take some of this dulce de leche caramel. It's thicker than the caramel sauce. Like, look, it doesn't even come out. You have to bring it out with a spatula. Okay, bring all that out. Stick that in the middle of the cookie tart. Spread that out. Once you have all this in a nice even layer, this is a bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can use dark chocolate if you want. I've popped in the microwave and melted down. You're just gonna pour the whole thing on top, that caramel and the cookies. Such a decadent holiday dessert. It's gonna be so impressive. And just cover the caramel. Leave the cookie part alone. And then, wow, that was a lot easier than that caramel. Okay, let me make it look kind of swirly like that. And then this is now going to go into the freezer for about an hour. Look, it's completely solid. And luckily for us, we used that parchment paper. So let me turn this around, get a cutting board, and get this. Whole thing pulls out. Amazing. Okay, so let me turn it this way. Get rid of that parchment paper. And slice into this. Slice it down the middle through the cookie. And that caramel and the chocolate layer. This smells so good, guys. It's like chocolatey, caramely goodness. Then I'm gonna cut this way. It's like a bar cookie in the shape of like a cake, like it's really thick. Let me cut this one. And then we're going to do a taste test of this slice right here. Wow, look at that. You know those toffee cookies that you can find at the supermarket? It's kind of like that. So good. Definitely make this for the holidays. It'll be a hit, I promise.